Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to install artificial grass, step by step. Artificial grass is an excellent alternative to natural grass that can save you time and money on lawn maintenance. Before you begin installing artificial grass, you need to prepare the area where you'll be laying it. Remove any existing grass, rocks, or debris from the area, and make sure the ground is level. Next, add a layer of crushed stone or gravel and compact it with a roller to create a stable base. Now it's time to roll out your artificial grass over the prepared area. Make sure the grass is laid out in the correct direction and that any seams are positioned properly. If necessary, trim the grass to fit the area using a sharp knife. Once the artificial grass is in place, it's time to secure it. Use landscaping stakes or adhesive to secure the edges of the grass to the ground. Make sure the grass is taut and smooth, with no wrinkles or bubbles. The final step is to add infill to your artificial grass. Infill is a layer of small, rounded particles that help support the grass blades and keep them upright. Spread the infill evenly over the grass using a brush or rake. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your very own artificial grass lawn. With proper care and maintenance, your new lawn will look great for years to come. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.